Yo, what's up guys? So in this video, we're gonna talk about the new marketplaces on Merch by Amazon, France, Spain, and Italy. Really awesome, very excited. All right, welcome back to my channel. My name is RJ Martinez, and we're gonna talk about the new marketplaces that Merch by Amazon released to us at the beginning of this month, August 4th. I want to give you guys a better insight on how to attack these marketplaces, a few tools that you guys can use to translate and give you guys a better idea of like how you guys should like attack it and like the workflow and stuff like that, right? The opportunity, where's the opportunity at right here? Like we got these new marketplaces, but let's talk about the opportunity, what we can do, right? Well, how can we make more money on these different marketplaces? Now, let's talk about the algorithm, right? Are these customers in these different marketplaces, are they searching for certain products in the US? Are they searching the same way in the US as they're searching for in their marketplace? Does that make sense? So it's like, are they using those same long tail keywords, right? Or in the US as in France and Italy and Spain? Like, think about it that way. How is a customer going onto the platform to search for a product, right? And this is opening up a lot of opportunity, and this is why I want to make this video, to give you guys a better insight. Because now, right now, you got how do you translate it? If so, how are you going to be able to translate these long tail keywords in different languages? Now, also too, now you want to think a little bit bigger. How are these designs selling in that marketplace, right? Are they selling like the English version designs that we make for the US? Or are they in Spanish, right? You know what I mean? Are they in their own language? So like, are the same designs selling? You want to ask yourself this and research it, right? So very important. Is that same design going to sell over there in that marketplace? Or do you have to translate it, right? You have to translate the actual design itself, right? You have to convert it into Spanish. You have to convert it into Italian, right? The Italian language. And then of course like French. You know what I mean, right? So you guys got to think about it that way. Okay, how can you attack these marketplaces as you dive in and do research? Are they selling the same way? Also too, just with the algorithm, it's so important that you guys understand this, because most people don't do the research when it comes to this, right? And I want you guys to have a better idea when it comes to this. So when a customer is searching for a product and you give them the actual product that they're looking for, let's say dinosaur birthday shirt, right? So if they're looking for a dinosaur birthday shirt and you have a design that the customer will like, right? They look for that long tail keyword. You got to actually think about it that way too. So if they search for that long tail keyword and they make a purchase, it triggers the algorithm. Now it's the same. It's going to be the same exact way in the other marketplaces. So are they searching the same way for a product over there? You have to think about that. Are they searching the exact same way in the US as they're searching in France or in Italy, or you know what I mean? It's just in Spain or whatever it is, whatever marketplace it is, right? So whatever marketplace it is, you have to ask yourself, okay, this is where you want to get ahead of your competition, okay, ahead of your competitors. Like, you want to figure out how they're searching for the product. Are they searching for it the same way? Are they buying the same designs, right? Because basically, I'm just saving you guys time, because if you upload that same design and it doesn't make it sell, you're basically wasting your time. So this is very important when we get these new marketplaces to see the opportunity, right? Even if you don't speak the language. So I don't speak the language, right? And then I'm not sure how I'm going to upload designs over there. This is something that I'm good at when it comes to this type of stuff, is outsource, right? Find someone that can help you translate these designs or whatever it is. And if you guys are new here too and you guys are getting some type of value out of this, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, say hello, what's going on, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell too. All right, so now the tools, right? As we dive into this, the tools, like what tools can you use to help you translate your basically your English, the English into another language, okay? Like how can you translate your SEO, your listing, your title into a different language? If you guys have any tools that I don't share in this video, put them down below and help others in the community too as well. If you have any other tools that you guys, any translator tools that you guys help others, comment them down below, because I'm gonna give 2 of them, and then you guys probably, some of you probably already know it, and some of you guys probably don't even know about this. You're not aware of these tools. First one is gonna be Google Translate, right? I know a few people that are like, well, okay, Google Translate is okay, but it's not that good, right? And it gets the job done, but it's not that good. Some of it doesn't make sense when you convert it over, let's say for like a German, like you're making a German listing, right? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't translate very well English to German. So something to keep in mind, okay? As you're doing this type of stuff, you gotta understand, like, some of these tools, it may not work. It may be a little bit difficult, and I see why, right? It may be a little bit difficult. The customers are not searching that way on that marketplace the way Google Translate is converting that listing over. So you guys want to keep that in mind. So very important that you guys understand that. All right, now the other tool that I have been hearing nothing but good things about is called DeepL. This right here is it seems like everyone loves it. Like, it's a solid tool. People are saying nothing but good things about this tool. Even like in the Facebook groups, on Reddit, and all these other places where content is, people are asking questions and stuff like that. Okay, if you guys are unaware of that Facebook group, I have it down below in the description. It's free. Go ahead and join that. But I heard nothing but good things about this translator, and that's pretty amazing, right? So this can help you translate your keywords over into the language that you want your listing to be converted into, right? So I think that's really big. And if you guys are unaware of those tools, hopefully you guys are aware of them now. Also too, we're gonna jump into the computer. I'm gonna show you guys what the different marketplaces look like, and we can go into that. Also, I just barely got access to the new marketplaces just today. This is why I'm making the video a little bit late, but yeah, let's hop into the computer, and I'm gonna show you guys examples. An example of exactly what I'm talking about. When you create a listing, you can see everything that I'm talking about. All right, here's the deepl.com, and also I'll put this down below in the description if you guys never heard of it. Here it is right here. I'll put that down below in the description for you guys, and you guys want to check that out. All right, so over here you can see right here in the messages, August 4th, right? We're excited to announce that Merch by Amazon is now live in France, Italy, and Spain with the same product assortment available in the UK and Germany. We began rolling this out to content creators today. When an account is enabled, options to select the new products will be available on the Create Products page. Please note the new marketplace offerings may not be immediately enabled for your account. Along with these new marketplaces, we have added portal language options for French, Italian, Spanish, and Japanese. You can update your preferred language in the header or footer of Merch Portal. So I'm over here in the Create page. Click right here, the Create page. Boom, boom, and you click that. You're gonna come over here to select, right? As you guys can see, these are the new market. So these 3 right here are the new marketplaces that were added. You can see the products here, okay, all the way from, so the premium shirts, no, but everything else but the phone cases are added over here, okay? So you get all the selection right there. As you scroll down, you're gonna see that you have English, okay, German, okay, French, Italian, and then Spanish. Okay, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then also you can see everything's pretty much the same. Just the click down, the drop down, you can convert this, and this is where the translator, the DeepL translator, will come into play depending on the language, right, for your design and stuff like that, the SEO, the listing, the title, the brand, the bullet points, and the description. So this is big. Really excited for all this, and you can see the different price points, right, how they convert over here. This is huge. This is awesome. This is a very exciting opportunity for us, right? And I can see, just imagine, think about it this way. If you can do 3,000 on .com, right? 3,000 in the UK, 1,000 here, 1,000 here, 1,000 here, and 1,000 here. we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different marketplaces, right, that we can attack. Okay. And literally it's like, if you can do $1,000 in each one, right, that'll be 6,000. If you do 2,000 in each one, that'll be 12,000. If you do 3,000, you know the routine, so on and so forth. So this is a really big opportunity. Hopefully you guys got value out of this. Check out my other videos right here, and peace out, guys. Thank you.